Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language on your BMW 3 Series. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Begin by accessing the iDrive system, typically by pressing the main controller knob. Once the main menu appears, use the dial to navigate through the options. You'll want to find and select the Settings menu. This is your starting point for customizing various vehicle functions, including the display language. After entering the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Language option. Select this to view the list of available languages. The iDrive system offers a wide range of choices, from English to German, French, and many others. Carefully scroll through the list using the iDrive controller. Once you find your preferred language, highlight it and press the controller to make your selection. Upon selecting your new language, the system will usually prompt you for confirmation. Simply confirm your choice to proceed. You'll notice the iDrive display and menus immediately begin to update, reflecting the newly chosen language. This process is typically quick, taking only a few seconds. After the update, take a moment to navigate through a few menus to ensure the language has been correctly applied across the entire system. If you encounter any issues like the language not changing or the system freezing, try restarting the iDrive system. This often resolves minor glitches. For more specific instructions, or if your BMW 3 Series model has a slightly different interface, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. It contains detailed, model-specific guidance. Also, for an amazing audio experience, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your daily drive or home environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.